Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to show another example for the continuity equation. Here we have a water falling from a faucet, has a cross-sectional area of 1.25 centimeters square. So let's draw a simple faucet where the water goes down from this faucet downward. Here, when the water falling from a faucet that has a cross-sectional area of 1.25. So here, the cross-sectional area of the faucet, okay, A1 is 1.25 centimeters square. Near the top, when the speed is 0.5 meter per second. So the speed here, V1, is 0.5 meter per second. After it has fallen to a point near the bottom of the sink, the speed is 2.5 meter per second. So here at this position, the speed V2 became 2.5 meter per second. What is the cross-sectional area of the stream at that point? Okay. I want to find the cross-sectional area here at this point. A2 equals what? Okay, so here we have to apply the continuity equation, which states that A1 V1 equals A2 V2. Let's substitute with the numbers. Here, A1 is 1.25 centimeters square. I don't have to change units on both sides. If I'm going to use here centimeter square, it's okay. A2 will be in centimeter square. And even if the velocity is in meter per second, and here the velocity is in meter per second, so no need to change the A unit, the area unit. So 1.25 times 0.5 equals A2, that's required, times V2, which is 2.5. Now I have to solve to find A2. I will divide both sides by 2.5 to get rid of this 2.5. So A2 equals 1.25 times 0.5 divided by 2.5. So A2 will be equal to 0.25 centimeters square. And it's in units of centimeters square like A1. Okay. There is another hint here. If I was asked to find the flow rate. What's the flow rate? The flow rate is area times velocity. You can choose whether A1 V1 or A2 V2, any of them, because they are equal. A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. So this side with all the terms is called the flow rate. And this side is called the flow rate. So the flow rate as the cross-sectional A1 is the same as the flow rate as 2.2. So if I ask me to find the flow rate, I will multiply area times velocity. Okay, let's choose, for example, A1 V1, A1 V1. So it would be equal to 1.25 times 0.5. It will give 0.625. What about the unit of flow rate? It is the unit of area times the unit of velocity. What is the unit of area? Meter square. What is the unit of velocity? Meter per second. If you multiply them, so we will get an area of meter cube per second. Okay, and that's all. Thanks a lot.